Did I just see a red? No. I thought there was a bound person right there. Roasted berry. What's the difference between this and this? Unsheltered and exposed to elements making work more difficult. Oh, right. If you have all your stuff sheltered, things craft faster. I guess this, sure. Cool beans. Wow. Am I going crazy? I could have sworn I just saw something on my side. Probably Edith. Edith! More stone. There you go. The mushrooms glow. I love it. Pick it up. I love that she can pick all this shit up so I don't have to carry anything. This is fantastic. Is this how you get tons of resources easier? Because carry weight gets in the way? Amazing. Fine, I'll pick these ones up. That's enough, right? I think. Probably not. It's never enough. I haven't even put walls up yet. Oh, gosh. Okay. I put this, like, here. Now I can put all the blueprints down for walls. Doorway. I guess there. 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 Do one here. Walls. Yeah. Yeah, that looks good. Solid. Good. Okay. And... yes. Perfect. Alright. Oh, that's a lot of shit. Oh, and then, because of how I'm planning to have this look, I can at least put this here. Get some protection from the elements going. Okay, hey, that's something. Wow. Oh. Is it because I was inside, I guess? Crazy. Yeah. Wow. I can finally sleep. Okay. I can see again. It's a good day. Wow. Okay. Crafting stuff. Need a workbench. First and foremost. It's so little. Where do I want the work? I suppose this here is fine. Need a workbench. Tanner. Hell yeah. What's the saw table? Don't think I need that stuff quite yet. For storage, though. Doo-doo-doo. Okay, yeah. Do a couple. Are you building it or something? Build. Do it. Do it. No, okay. It's because I don't have the things she needs, I guess. Plant fiber. You have permissions. Why aren't you... I'm confused. Oh, no, she's doing it. Okay. I think maybe I was just in her way. Shocker. Yeah, Edith. Look at you. MVP. Edith! Oh, God. What do I do? What do I do? Oh, no, don't hit you with fire. That's not the right thing to do. You good? Maybe don't stand in the fire. Suggestion. Okay, that was traumatic. Jeez, Louie. Gonna move some of this stuff. Yeah, yeah. I guess I'll leave bone. This can all, whatever. One of these needs to be for stone stuff. For food stuffs. I don't know what blood ichor is, so it can just go in the food. This can go here. Okay. Now, will she... I'm wondering. No, I have to have that on my person. Dang. Autofill. Wonderful. Now I need to go and get, like, just a shit ton of stone, I guess. To be the Edith! I'm just gonna run. Just gonna leave. I'm gonna need you to stop lighting yourself on fire. This really is like Pal World in that sense. Ow. Oh, oops. Yank. What am I up to? 33. How much do you have? 6. Great. Edith! There we go. Showing. There's my house. I guess I don't need that star marker anymore. Ooh. Hey. So many more resources to go still. Edith, don't walk on the fire, please. Whoa. Yeah. Well, now. Alright, what do I need for these? Wood bundles. Let's get some wood. It's everywhere. Let's also get some G Fuel because we are tired. Do 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 do. And I love G Fuel. Delicious. It's delicious. Man, I got some weird old like 60s pop music stuck in my head. Like 60s, 70s pop. Don't know much about ba-da-ba. Da-da-da-ba-da-ba-da-ba. Ba-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Ba-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. What a wonderful world that could be. Might have to. This, maybe. My frames aren't the best today. Oosh. You scared me, Edith. Jesus. Timber! Edith! Am I hitting you? Wah! What if I go this way? There you go. Come on. There you go. I'm way down. But out of the emotional trauma. But I do know that I love you. And I know that if you love me too, what a wonderful world this could be. Building traits modify the function of certain structures. The environment and nearby structures determine which traits the structure has. For example, a bedroll is more effective when it's in a warm, dry place. There are both positive and negative implications to traits. A few to look out for are environmental traits like grit and expose, which are applied based on the location a structure is placed and increase crafting times. Benches gain the grit trait if they are built on the bare ground. You can avoid this by placing benches on a foundation or in existing structures within the realms. Benches are exposed if they are built in areas where they are not sheltered. Realmwalkers can also add positive traits such as light and warmth by building a campfire near benches or bedrolls. Some structures can— oh my god, Edith, I can hear you lighting yourself on fire. Some structures can have augmentations impact their effectiveness and create new traits. To use an augmentation, you have to build it near the structure you want to impact. There's a limit to the number of augmentations a structure can receive. Compatible augmentation combos that will create new traits are defined in your guidebook. Realmwalkers can view active traits by interacting with a completed structure using the inspect interaction or in crafting station's crafting menu. Crafting station, trait. I should just make a stupid amount of these. Or one. Hold on. Oops, thank you. But I'm, you know. Craft. And then I should make all this shit. Straps. I gotta turn some settings down. I don't like how low my... Oh, yo. There's an ultra quality? Holy shit. That's a little bit better. Alright. Yoink. Now I'm way down. Alright, what's an important thing to make? Probably the mining pick. Stone blocks, wood bundle, and straps. So I need to get... You know, I'm not even gonna help you with that anymore, Edith. At this point, you deserve it. I don't know. I don't know what else to say. Alright, straps. No, not all. Oh, it makes double. Yeah, that's probably fine. Now, does this have any negative exposed? It's unsheltered. Oh, right. Getting there. Edith, you're making me feel bad. Stop lighting yourself on fire. More meat. Yum, 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 yum. Oh, that's why I'm way down. Okay, what else did I need to make? Mining pick. Wood bundle, stone block. Okay. Wood and stone. Oh. Don't fall on my house. Phew. Yay. Oh. Those are just regular stone, yeah. I need stone. Okay, that works. Manage. Oh. I can't get up. There we go. Well, how many you got, Edith? $21. Need more. I kind of wish there was like a little counter on your screen for how many things you needed to finish the blueprints that you have up. Oh no! Oh, shit's breaking. Edith! Edith, come back! I can't move! Eh. Thank you. Now the question is, can she? Nah, she can teleport. I'm not worried. Home sweet home. Cube, sweet cube. And I can't jump up that way. What am I missing? Right. I'll take this and this. Okay. Do I only have enough to make one? Oh, that's weird. It only makes you lets you make one at a time. I want to get her a mining pick too, though. Mining pick. Nope. Extract. Oh, my roofing is done too. Wait, where did that go? Wait, did I not put one there? Oops. Healing. Yeah, I actually have a roof over my head. Feels good. Okay. Did I give you one? No, yeah, I didn't do it yet. Wait, where'd it go? Didn't I pick it up? Oh, auto-equipped it. Edith. Here you go. I'll take that. Thank you kindly. I need to make a sling bow. More wood. More wood. I should make an axe, actually. I should prioritize a little better.